Hi friends, I'm Aditi and welcome to Edumate Aditi. Today, let's talk about a magical trick to improve English. Think in English. Most of us make one big mistake. Before speaking, we think in our own language and then translate into English. That takes time and makes us slow. Sometimes it also makes our sentences wrong. So, what's the solution? Start thinking directly in English. For example, instead of thinking मुझे पानी पीना है and then translating it, just think I want to drink water. Instead of thinking मुझे homework करना है, just think I have to do my homework. It may feel strange at first, but slowly your brain will get used to it. Here's a fun exercise. Every morning, describe what you are doing in English in your mind. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm packing my bag. I'm walking to school. These simple sentences will train your brain to think in English. The more you think in English, the easier it becomes to speak. Because then, words come out naturally without delay. Friends, remember, fluency is not about knowing big words. It's about thinking directly in English without fear. So, from today, tell your brain no more translations, only English thoughts. That's all for today. I'm Aditi and I'll meet you in the next video with another easy and fun tip to improve your spoken English. Till then, keep thinking in English and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Edumate Aditi. Bye bye.